All right, it's show prep day number 3, I think. I left for a day and a half and things are, wow, totally changed. I walked into the factory today and there's like 15 people I didn't recognize, directing people and telling people what to do. It's like, how do they know what to do? I've never seen them before. It was really kind of strange. But we brought in a lot of extra people from the local community because we need help getting things ready. There's so much to do to get ready for the big day. We're only 4 or 5 days out, 4 days I think, out from the big day. So we've got to get all these tenting structures up. It's coming along. We have tents on the side, around the corner, and right in front of the building. There's going to be, I think, probably another whole matrix of tent structures in here. We have the inside of the factory that's coming along. Yeah, this is a total transformation from just a couple of days ago. We cleared out the sea pod that was right in this area. It looks really strange to have the factory so empty because it's just been full of materials and supplies and sea pods that we've been building. So now this is almost completely cleared out. We have some things pushed towards the back, and that's kind of going to be our storage area for now. And then we're going to put these big curtains up so you won't see any of that messy, ugly stuff in the back. These are some of our water toys we're going to have out for people to play with. Kayaks. There are 4 regular kayaks, like single person, and then there's 4 double person kayaks over there. The double person kayaks actually have a pedal built into them, so you can actually pedal them. Or no, it's a single one actually, the single. You can see one of the pedals mechanisms is here. So I haven't actually used the pedal version yet. I guess what happens is you lift this compartment up and then put the pedal mechanism down, and it has a propeller built into it, and then you can just pedal. Then we have these big balls, and these are flotation. They float on the water. So there's a big zipper here. You can climb inside, and you can walk around, you can run around. It's a fun water toy to play with. So we have 2 of those, and then we have a fleet of paddle boards. There's 8 set up, and then we have 2 more at the incubator house, where we have a lot of our other water toys. We have some kayaks there as well. We have our rolling machine. This is going to be part of the display for the launch event that we're going to be having in here. It's kind of a big, interesting thing to have as a showpiece. So we're going to have that. We have our woodworking station. They're still hard at work making the last few pieces that need to be made, and then we're going to haul ass and put it in the pod and get it actually installed and fitted. The fitting is now what's really the important part of what we're doing, because we need to finish all those fine details that really make the house complete. Now this is 90% of the work. It's that last 10% that people see. So we're going to be hopefully finishing up the last 10% in the next 4 days. We gotta hustle though.